Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Skype credits for international calls. So how do you buy Skype credits for international calls? The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Skype application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, what exactly is Skype about? Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you to keep in touch with free video chat, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click and no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to buy Skype credits for international calls. So from your home screen, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have your profile name, and you have a lot of things going on here at the same time. So go ahead and click on your profile name, and that's going to take you right into this window where you have these options, which includes Skype to phone, Skype number, Skype profile, all the way down to sign out. So I'd like you to click on settings, and now that we're in settings, head over to account and profile. So click on account and profile, and this is going to open up. You're going to find profile pictures, Skype name, email, birthday, Skype to phone. So from this Skype to phone, you're going to see here add fonts. So call fonts at affordable rate. So go ahead and click on add fonts. Now here you go. I'm going to, okay, so here you go. It says your Skype credit. So call and SMS anywhere at affordable rates, and you have different countries. So you can buy $5, you can buy $10, you can buy for $25. So just go ahead and click on this buy credit. So you have these subscriptions for India. This is India, mobiles and landlines, and you can see the amount. This is free. So you can say you can try free for a month, and after a month this is what you're going to pay. Mobiles and landlines for United States. So go ahead and click on continue, $3 per month. And you have North America. For this amount, you have the world, you have China, you have Canada, you have Russia. Go ahead and click on search more subscriptions for you to find from different countries. Let's say Angola. Let's see if we have available for, and so this is Angola, and you have these options available. So just go ahead and click any of them. So let's say I go ahead and click on continue. In there, it's opening a new browser. All right, so it's opening up my Microsoft, so I can make purchases from there. So this is my checkouts window. So add my first name, last name. This is Ireland, and a residential address. So after that, go ahead and click on save. And this is my order. This is what it looks like. So go ahead and click on save, and it's going to take you to the next window, which is for you to add your payment method, and from there you'll be able to make payment for that order. So this is pretty much how you can buy Skype credits for international calls. You can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.